Professor Brito rightly argued that in order to deliver, a startup must have relationships. These attract resources and organize the delivery of whatever they have as an output. Behrens, on the other hand, argued that relationships need trust, and in Mediterranean societies, trust is largely restricted to clan members. Therefore, in order to deliver and to attract the resources, company management must learn to align clans. Because foreigners are unlikely to arrive to Portugal with the necessary management talents to align clans, this is a challenge for the local business schools or Câmara Municipal to actually provide these resources to facilitate the entry of foreign entrepreneurs that may want to draw on the ample pool of talented resources available in Portugal.